any of them should be taken by the Spaniards, they might use them for ransom. Thus they got to their ship, and with all speed put to sea, forcing the prisoners, before they let them go, to procure them as much flesh as was necessary for their voyage to Jamaica. But no sooner had they weighed anchor, when they saw a troop of about 500 Spaniards, all well armed, at the seaside. Against these they let fly several guns, wherewith they forced them to quit the sands, and retire, with no small regret to see these pirates carry away so much plate of their churches and houses, though distant at least 40 leagues from the sea. These pirates got, on this occasion, about 4,000 pieces of eight in money, besides much plate and many jewels, in all, to the value of 50,000 pieces of eight, or more. With all this they arrived at Jamaica soon after. But this sort of people being never long masters of their money, they were soon constrained to seek more by the same means, and Captain John Davis, presently after his return, was chosen admiral of 7 or 8 vessels, he being now esteemed an able conductor for such enterprises. He began his new command by directing his fleet to the north of Cuba, there to wait for the fleet from New Spain, but missing his design, they determined for Florida. Being arrived there, they landed their men, and sacked a small city named St. Augustine of Florida. The castle had a garrison of 200 men, but could not prevent the pillage of the city, they effecting it without the least damage from the soldiers or townsmen. End of Chapter 5, Part 2. Recording by Acacia Wood.